Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to be talking about my favorite lip shades from Colourpop. If you are new here, Colourpop is an affordable makeup brand that has loads of beautiful lip shades for makeup lovers on a budget. I have my Spill My Cellar cleansing wipes here because I'm going to be trying on each lip product for you. I have 30 shades in today's video. I have a range of the Ultra Glossy Lip, Ultra Satin Lip, the Ultra Matte Lip, the new Ultra Blotted Lip. All of those are going to be mentioned in this video, as well as some of their lipsticks. So I have a lot of options for you. All of these shades are beautiful in the summer. I will have a direct link to each shade in the description box below, so it's really easy for you to find. I make new beauty videos every week, so be sure to hit that notification bell and subscription button in case you want to be notified when I upload throughout the week. This definitely is an everyday type of lipstick. It's not going to be very long lasting. You will definitely have to reapply this, but it's very comfortable to wear and I love this color. This is another lip color that would look so pretty with a glossy lip, but once again, I'm not going to do that, just so that you can see what it looks like on its own. I like that the matte formula lasts a little bit longer. I mean, obviously it's not going to last as long as a liquid lipstick, but this matte formula does last longer than their cream formula. Once again, this is a very comfortable lipstick to wear. It is their cream formula. This is in the shade 7 Springs. And I find that this is a color that you have to reapply throughout the day quite a bit to keep that color pay off. But the color is just so pretty and you could find the best, cutest looks to go with this. So this is another one that I would definitely recommend to those of you for the summer. I believe this is a little bit of an older color, so they don't have it on here whether it's a cream formula or a matte formula, so I'm not sure on that point. I think I've mentioned this in videos before, especially my fall videos, but this is definitely a lipstick that you would have to reapply. It's not like your liquid matte lipsticks that are going to last a while. Whew, my lips are feeling it today. I'm going to move on to the Ultra Glossy Lips, just because I feel like those are lip products that a lot of people are going to be going for, especially for the summertime. Most people aren't looking for a heavy lipstick. They want like those glossy lips. Shine and sparkle is definitely my go-to this summer, so I wanted to share those with you. First color is this Ultra Glossy Lip in On Board. This is a little bit more of a yellow toned lip gloss, but it has so many different colors and sparkles in there that just look so pretty with the sunlight hitting on top of them and everything. One thing I will say is that I don't like this applicator on this lip, but I mean, I can live with it, right? And I don't have anything else underneath my lips. I just have this Ultra Glossy lip color on, and I love the different sparkles and shimmers that you get in this. I feel like you can see it better in person, but this is such a pretty lip color. It looks like it has a little bit of like a champagne undertone, but really most that you see with this lip gloss is like the blue shimmer, the yellow shimmer, there's purple in there. So that's the majority of what you see when you wear this lip gloss. This next lip gloss is like a holy grail for me. This is the Kathleen Lights Moonchild lip gloss. This is when I first started in makeup. It has a little bit of a mauve color to it, but it's very subtle. It makes your lips look very plump. You'll see, you'll see. I've gone through 2 of this shade in Moonchild. This is such a pretty everyday lip gloss. It's such a pretty mauve purple undertone that just works for any season, any time. This is just a go-to lip gloss that will work for everyone at any time. This is the brown sugar gloss that I wear all the time. I love wearing this brown sugar lip gloss on top of the ultra matte lip. This shade in Fairy Me is one of my favorite colors. It has that rose undertone, and then it has lots of little silver shimmers throughout it. It is so pretty. I feel like this is more of your romantic lip gloss. This just makes me think of romance. This is a darker shade than the Fairy Me. It has more of that plum color to it. So pretty. Like I'm saying for all of these. What's neat about this color in Believe Me is that you can sheer this out a little bit. It doesn't have to be as intense as I am wearing it right now. This can definitely be wiped down a little bit more sheer. So you could put this on top of like a really pretty berry lipstick or like a light pink matte lip, and it would look really pretty. It just brings a little bit more glossy to the look, but then it's also got several little pink shimmers in there that pair really well with like a really pretty rose toned color lip gloss or even lipstick. This is another metallic shade. Once again, you can really sheer this out and get a light wash of color, or you can really get this very intense and get the color payoff that I did in this look right here. Next, we are moving on to my Ultra Satin Lips. I have 4 in this category. The Ultra Satin formula is similar to the matte formula, but it doesn't get quite as matte and is much more comfortable to wear. Out of all of the Colourpop formulas, between the glossy lip, the matte lip, satin lip, the blotted lip, the Ultra Satin Lip is my absolute favorite. I love the Ultra Satin formula. It's so comfortable to wear. The first shade that I'm trying on right here is the Shayla by Colourpop collaboration. This is a newer release, and this shade is a little bit more of a brown mauve color, and it's very pretty topped off with a lip gloss, but I like wearing this on its own. I love this shade. It's more of a nude brown color. It's similar to one of the colors I can get with my cream lipsticks, but this lasts much longer, and it's really pretty topped off with a lip gloss once again to make it a little bit more summery. But the satin formula is so comfortable to wear. It doesn't dry down quite matte, has a little bit of transfer, but I really don't mind that at all. This is just one of those colors that I can wear with everyday looks. It's just one of those colors that I feel like is universal for everyone. Everybody could pull off this lip color. It's very pretty for the summertime, and I love those brown nude colors. This next Ultra Satin Lip is in the shade Dreamy. This is a Kathleen Lights by Colourpop collaboration. This is one of my favorite shades to wear with a really pretty pink dress or just like a very soft feminine blouse. It looks so pretty paired with that. It's perfect for date night. The This is the I Love Sarah Colourpop collaboration. This is in the shade 951. This definitely has a lot more purple in it than the ones that I have mentioned before. This color definitely dries down a little bit darker than the color in the bottle, but I still love this purple undertone. The purple in this color really gets me. It also has a slight hint of brown in there. This next color is called Revere. This is another Kathleen Lights Colourpop collaboration, and it is an Ultra Satin Lip. This is your orange red bright color. The next formula that we're going to try on is this Ultra Blotted Lip. This is a newer formula, I believe. I haven't seen a lot of these. I think this shade in particular is definitely new. This is in the shade Ojai There. It dries down matte, but it almost reminds me a little bit of like a lip stain. It gets a little bit blotchy if you put too much on, so it's definitely an interesting formula. I'm not quite used to it quite yet, but it's like a cross between a satin lip and a matte lip. It's really weird, but I like it, and I love the color of this. It's definitely a summer bright color, but if you put too much of this on, it does get a little bit patchy, and I don't know. I would go layer by layer. One, let it dry down first and then apply more if you're not happy with the color. That's what I would recommend, but I really do like this color. I applied 2 coats of this. Ow. It lasts long like a matte lip, but it's not as matte. It's really weird. It's really weird. But I like it. I mean, it's definitely different. And now we are ready to move into my favorite matte lip colors for the summer. It dries down to a little bit more of a purple mauve color, more so than the color in the bottle. It definitely dries down a little bit darker than you see in the bottle, so I just wanted you to be aware of that. My last 3 shades are these LIPPIE sticks. This one actually looks like it's pink, but it's actually a very bright red color. Very, very bright red. This is the LIPPIE color that goes really well with that Zoella Colourpop. I believe those two were actually made for each other. This is in the shade Bossy. The next color that we have is another really bright red color. This is another LIPPIE pencil. It's called Clique. This bright red shade is a little bit more red than the Self Love Club. The Self Love Club has a little bit more pink in there. This LIPPIE pencil in Clique right here pairs really well with the Fenty Beauty Uncensored Lip Stain. That is really pretty with this lip liner, and they work really well together. Just a side note. The last LIPPIE stick that I have is the shade Lumiere. This is a very popular Kathleen Lights color. In fact, I've pretty much used it all. This shade in Lumiere definitely is a little bit more purple. This shade in Lumiere works really well with all those matte lips that I was showing you. You can always line your lips and then go on top of the matte formula. But I find like Colourpop's matte formula is really easy to work with. It's very, very pigmented and stays for a long time, but it's really easy to get off really quick if you mess up. You just have to make sure that you catch it in the early stages before it dries down. But I love pairing these LIPPIE pencils with those ultra matte lips. Even with glossy lips, I'll put this all over my lips and then top it up with a lip gloss, and they're so pretty. So these are my favorite LIPPIE sticks, and that is all of my lip colors that I have for you today. That was a lot of lip swatching. I'm gonna put my Bite Beauty Agave lip balm on because my lips are sore from all those try-ons. Hopefully that was helpful for you though. That definitely was a lot of swatching, but that's okay. That's what I wanted to do this video for. Those are all of my favorite summer shades. I know so many shades, but they just pair with different looks, with different dresses that I wear, different shirts that I wear, so hopefully that was of help to you. Give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoy seeing stuff like this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.